All right, so this is another video. We're going to be going through on how to create Canva designs from scratch without using the templates, but everything will be done by you, so you can get a full idea on it. If you haven't subscribed, please kindly hit the subscribe button, and if you've done that before, you can hit the notification bell to get more content like this. So let's go into this. So what we're going to be using is YouTube thumbnails. All you have to do is search for that and it will bring. So the next thing to do is for you to get an idea of what you want to do. Just go on YouTube and check on your topic. Just check out the the whole designs, the whole thumbnails by their views, by their view count. So once you click on filter, you can see the view count, the upload date, relevance, and rating. So you can go for the view count. You can always go for the view count to get the best of the best. So this is the number one, number two, but I think I'll be going for this third one here. So let us go back and we'll be creating this thumbnail. Let's go back. Now let's look for a color. Now go to elements. Look for a color that will work well for the background. Now we're looking for a color for like Canva that looks like this blue and this purple. So let's look for something like this. Let's look for gradient colors. So we have to choose between this and this. I think I'll go for this. This works better. It's lighter, so I like this better. So if I'm going too fast, you can just reduce the speed. YouTube has a function for reducing the speed, so you can just reduce the speed to watch it and get more. But if I'm talking too slow, you can also increase the speed. So let's continue. Now the next thing we see in this is the desktop. So let us go and look for a free picture. Now you just have to search for a free desktop. So I've downloaded it. All you need to do is go to the site called remove.bg. So it's a background remover. So now that we're ready, all you just have to do is just drop. So this can actually work on both PC and your phone. So let's just get the image. Okay, so it's ready, and all we just have to do is just click on download. So now you go to Canva. So just drag and drop it on the screen. So now next thing I want us to do is cover this with a white color square. So let's just cover this up. Change this to white. So we have ourselves a white screen. Now let's do for one more device. Let's do something like this. Let's lock this in so it doesn't distract us. So let's do for one more device. Alright, now let's export in one more device to make it look nicer. So I want to place it side by side to make it look better and neat. So that's done. So we can just drag this over here. Okay, let's lock this so it doesn't disturb. And now we just have to do the exact same thing to the phone. Now that's better. So now let's see what's next. That's also on the screen. So we also see like the Canva logo and the background image. So let's just do that real quick and choose any image that we can find in designs. So let's look for anything as nice. Now what we need is our square again. So reduce the transparency. So remember, I also said we're going to be creating. I'm going to create a video on everything you need to know: the positioning, the animate, the transparency, the link, and everything. So you don't have to worry about that. So let's see how it works. Now for the next step, I think there's supposed to be a Canva. Yes, that's much better. So what's next? Now we just need a good text, and that's all. So how to design a YouTube thumbnail from scratch. So now there was something I noticed. Okay. So there was something I noticed that there was an image in the background. There was an image in the background. So what we just have to do about that? You can actually leave it like this. So we can get something like a YouTube. So as simple as this, don't need too much design skills to make something as simple as this. So I hope you've gotten something new from this video. Hit the like button if you've gotten any value from this. So good day and see you in the next video.